Actually, there are some friends in your life who you meet for a very brief time and then you actually connect like house on fire. And Devki is definitely one of them. We met over a project, over a book project, and she was our creative designer. And after which we bonded like anything. And today we discuss food, yes, but we discuss clothes, we discuss fashion, we discuss films, we gossip, we go out shopping, everything. So today she's here with me and we're going to be doing a brownie. So whenever you do any brownie, so ingredients have to be measured. Whenever there is any baking, everything has to be measured perfectly. Why?
Right.
Because if there's anything that goes up and down, your recipe is going to flop. Chalo Devki, let's start. Take some butter. Put it in that. How do you take it? See, this is a rubber spatula. Okay, it works very well. It cleans the bowl nicely. See, I have to teach you right from the beginning.
Yes.
So when you take it this way, everything comes out. Lots of butter. Okay, so after the butter, you put in the sugar.
All of it?
Yes. Put all the sugar. And we are doing this lovely gooey brownie. So it stays little moist inside and the crust is perfectly formed. Now you take the beater and start beating it. Perfect. And just go round and round. So you basically have to churn this. Don't lift the blade up. You have to basically churn this till this entire mixture becomes very smooth. So in between, if you want, you can use a spatula. Okay. Bring everything in the center like this. Even the little bit of batter which remains in the bowl, you can actually sit and lick it. It is so tasty. Till this mixture becomes lighter in color is what we need to do. So you have to just go on and on. Okay, now let's add egg one after the other. Yeah, you can just stop that. So we've added one egg and blend it again. And when you add the egg, you have to be very careful. One after the other, slowly you'll add the egg. And also one thing important about the brownie is, you know what? That brownie is always dense. So you'll not find a spongy brownie. So we've added one egg. And Devki, nothing has happened to your sari. Don't worry.
It's okay, Anupa. Anything for you.
All right, anything for you. Actually, I'm doing this for you. Yeah. So, just because you are older to me, that doesn't mean you do this.
You don't have to tell this on YouTube.
It's always the age factor that triggers conversation.
She should call me Tai.
I will. I don't mind. Another egg into this. And I have also noticed one thing that I've always ended up having friends who are like way too older than me. You know, way.
Anupa, I am not that old.
Come on, start. Okay, so nicely, I want like good. Come on, just go round and round and round and round. Yeah, good job, Devki. So we've added 2 eggs and one more to go.
Anupa, please do it.
Acha, okay. I don't mind doing it. Then you don't tell me that my brownie didn't come out as good as you made it on the show. So you see this batter, so smooth. Because all the 3 eggs have gone in.
Nice.
Awesome. Now what do? We have to add in chocolate because it's chocolate brownie. And we have to add in the flour. We've got maida.
Okay.
But since we've added eggs, we will add
vanilla essence.
Very good. Pappu pass ho gaya. Vanilla essence dal diya. And because it is a brownie, there is no baking powder, there is no baking soda. You don't need it.
Okay.
One more thing that we have done here is, we've got a baking tray, which we have greased it with butter. Then taken some dry maida.
Okay, that is why it's looking all white.
Yes, and we've dusted it like this. So what happens when you dust it like this is that when the brownie is baked, it comes out clean, doesn't stick to the cake tin. So this is the cake tin ready, and now you have to fold this. How will you fold? Cut and fold like this. Do it like this. All the maida has to get inside. Huh? Chalo Devki, teri aaj pariksha hai. Come on. Anupa, that's all you are saying. Anupa.
Yeah.
Anupa in all possible tones. Anupa, what is this? You're not making bhaji. Give it to me. So we have a lovely book which is Chocolate, and she is the creative designer of that book. And believe me, she's done a phenomenal job, and that book also has a brownie recipe which she has never tried. How is that possible, Devki? How did you manage to do that? And I'm sure you have plenty of those copies at home, but she's never really opened the book, seen the recipe. Okay, now I'm going to make a brownie. Wow. No, Anupa, recipe. Anupa.
So I need to have a hands-on experience.
Yeah, hands-on. Now we'll put all the chocolate in this. Wow. And let's put half walnuts in this. If this brownie doesn't come out good, I am not responsible because she's just done a mess here. This is not how you should be doing it.
No, I
will show.
trust. This is Anupa, so she is a super chef.
Chef, you're going to say cook.
No, I was
That's
going
okay.
to say chef only.
So you do this, mix it together and then just do this. Cut and you just fold and you just cut and you just fold and the batter is ready. Now, the cake tin is done. Never lift up the cake tin like this, how you lift up bartan in the house. No. So you just lift it up like this because we have greased it with butter and what?
Maida.
Ah, good. See? I was just observing if you're attentive or no. And you put this in and this. Take the spoon and just spread it like this. Okay, Devki, we have to put more walnuts. So when do you want to make this?
Maybe for Christmas.
Acha?
When the kids are at home, I will make it.
The walnuts have gone in and now this cake is also going to go in an oven. Remember one
Okay.
thing, oven has to be preheated at 160 degrees Celsius.
Bas.
Bas.
I thought 180.
No, 180. 180 is the magic temperature, but for this recipe, we will keep it at 160. Another very important thing, you have to remove the brownie out when it is slightly wobbly.
Okay.
So when you put the toothpick in and when you check, if it is slightly moist, which means your brownie is done. Unlike for other cakes, when you put the toothpick and it comes out clean,
yeah.
that is when your brownie or your cake
Okay.
is done. But in this case, you have to put the toothpick and bring it out when it
Oh,
is
Anupa, I never knew this. I would have kept it till it becomes dry.
नाचीज को अनुपा कहते हैं. So this is yours.
Thank you.
Go home and bake it. Go in the oven and keep it inside. Keep it here, Devki. You see, the brownie is supposed to have a crust like this, and your finger has gone in and it has punctured
No,
the
it's
cake.
not my finger.
It is your finger only. Whose finger
No.
would have been other in the oven? It's your finger only. She has punctured one end. So when you bring it out, remember I had told you that the brownie is going to be slightly moist. So you have to be very careful. Now we'll demold it and we'll let it cool. And after that, since she mentioned that it is Christmas time and she wants to do it for a Christmas party, let's do a little bit of a Christmassy decoration over the brownie. Let us just demold it first. So demold साठी काय करायचं देवकी? साइडनी अशी knife फिरवायची. And if you have greased it well,
Yeah, it will
It
come out
will-
very clean.
Devki, I'm going to actually first cut the pieces in the cake tin only. So now what we'll do is we'll just remove it.
Yummy.
So gooey, you have to be very careful if to handle it. All ada teda pieces of brownie, just keep it on the plate because brownie is like Amitabh Bachchan of the cake world. Wow. Devki, I also have some butter icing here with me. What is butter icing? Equal parts of sugar, which is icing sugar,
Okay.
and butter, which is regular butter, yellow butter, whatever butter you use at home. So if it's 1 cup of butter, you take 1 cup of icing sugar and you just blend it and you get this icing. So I will give you one color, I will take one color. You take the red, blend it. And I'll put green. That was the plan. Very Christmassy. Okay, so we've got green as well as a nice red. So let's fill up the piping bag with this. So what we'll do is we'll just cut a small tip here like this. So now what you have is your lovely pink icing. Wow, Devki, you have steady hands. You do a lot of rangoli during Diwali, looks like. Good job. So cute. Give me the pink. Pick up another brownie and do something else. So our lovely gooey chocolate brownie is done. She's going to go home and make it, and you should also make it and do let me know how you find it. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So that's about it. Bye.